So if you're having issues with your navigation system here on your Toyota, well, there are a few things that you may need to check or you need to do here. So first is you need to pay attention to your car's battery. Now, a weak or failing battery can cause electronic systems, including navigation, to malfunction. So if your car struggles to start or feels like it's losing power, the battery may be the real culprit here. Now, you may need to replace the battery if needed. Now, have a service like a mechanic to test your battery here. Now, if it's dead or weak, install a new one. Then this usually is much cheaper than a dealer repairing quote. Now, also, you may need to give your system some time to restore. So after replacing the battery, your navigation unit may not reboot instantly. So allow a couple of hours for the system to reset and fully come back online. And once the navigation screen powers up or works normally, test it with maps, guidance, and other features to ensure everything is running smoothly again. Now, also, it saves you money by avoiding unnecessary repairs here. So, a new battery often costs around $150 to $200, which is far less than let's just say, a 200 for a dealer diagnostics or around $2,000 for a replacement unit. But yeah, so that's just a few things that you could suggest here, like checking your batteries and see if that helps. But that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.